it's me, Shiti, and this is Coco. And today we're going to be doing Coco's first painting. So I had to tie him up, or else he would have gone and mixed the paint. We had also done a demo. So this is the demo. So now how I did was, this was a whiteboard. I took 4 pieces of A4 sheets and I taped them there. So you have like 4 things. And for the paint, I've used 3 drops of paint and a bunch of water so that nothing happens to the paw and it's easy to go. So I have blue, yellow, red and green. And I've used Montmartre paints. They're non-toxic, I guess. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Coco. Oh. Okay, so I've also tried to do a bit more paint over here. So not too much water is required. So actually, he's taking paw prints. Okay. So what you have to do is, after every time, if you're trying this, after every time your dog puts a paint, you should try to use a wet wipe and remove the paint off its paw. So even if it licks it, nothing's gonna happen. And make sure you keep rubbing the floor if you're doing it on the floor, so that it can't lick it. Okay. So I'm going to add a bit more. Hey! Your dog is done painting, you can add a few of your hand paints so that it's like yours and your dog's masterpiece. For your hand print, you can use a bit more of color than water, because you can just wash your hand and yeah. This is, again I'm telling you, this is sure to make a huge mess. Okay, I've added some of my hand paints too. Try doing it in different colors so it looks colorful. So we're done. Now I'm just going to show you the painting. This is how it looks like. I know it's not perfect or anything, but it's what me and my dog have done. I modified the painting a bit, and this is the end result. I've added Coco and Chippy, and also added a bunch of hearts.